Every day we get lots of questions on Facebook and on our website about how to do this or how to make that. And one that we've been seeing more and more is about how to cook a spaghetti squash. So if you aren't familiar with it, watch how easy it is to prepare. And if you already know, here's a refresher course. This is a spaghetti squash. To prepare it, place it in a large pot, add an inch or so of water, and cook it covered for about 20 to 30 minutes until it's tender. You can tell it's done when you can easily insert a knife into it. Then we take it out and let it cool a bit. After that, we cut it in half, remove the seeds, and with a fork, scrape out the meaty part. It looks just like spaghetti, but these noodles have a lot less carbs. And sure, we can top it with some red sauce for a low-carb Italian feast. But today, we're tossing it with sour cream, a few spices, and some cheddar cheese and baking it off. And whether you serve this as a low-carb main dish or the perfect anytime go-along, get ready for lots of taste without all the guilt. To get the recipe, all you have to do is visit our website and look for what we call My Favorite Spaghetti Squash. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a tasty, low-carb way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.